there, welcome to Roger's On Demand Karaoke that Jessica Klaus has introduced to me. Let's get it. Let's check it out. Oh. How does this part go? Oh, Chris Brown. Whoa. Let me talk to you, tell you how it is. I was thinking when I saw that body, gotta get shoddy. Tell her what the young boy gon' do. Damn the chicks with you, gotta be okay, babe. Pretty thick when the kick's sick, think you need me hit. So tell me what y'all gon' do. I got friends and you got friends. We hop and you hop in. I look fly, at least I can. I look fly and you got friends. I look fly. The song is so sick. Go.
Is your man
On the floor.
Let me know.
Let me see if you can run it. And the beat that can run it. Is your man on the floor? If he ain't, let me know. I can't do this anymore. Sorry.
Show you.
Jasper is going to sing a Disney song with me. I love Disney.
What song is this? I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? And I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But now from way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. Good job! Come on, guys, we were good. I'm back to work. So depressing, but I mean, it was bound to happen. 2 weeks off, can't complain. Gotta make that moolah, gotta get back. So I'm back. But look, guys, I got my grad pics in the mail. So this was elementary. Okay, it's about, I think I got my braces like that same week, so that's why my smile is like okay. So I finally have my grad pic and I'm about to replace it with this. Oh my god. Okay, jokes. I have a pimple like in between my eyebrows in this pic, but I do like it better than the glossy lips elementary fake Chanel earring pic. So I'm gonna do that. Ew, why am I talking like this? Anyways, so yeah, back to reality. Back to sleeping early and waking up at 7:30, and I don't want to. Why couldn't I just be lucky and like win the lottery and never have to work and just travel the world? Huh? Joking, no one's here.
What? That's nice.
Saan nakikita yan? Where did you buy this?
Bibili na naman ito.
No!
It's called 6-Pack Fitness. It was like my other bag.
Yeah,
but
it's nice.
But I wanted something that looks like a purse so it doesn't look... So then you put the ice pack here.
Oh, yeah.
And you put another ice pack here and here if
Oh,
you wanted
yeah.
more.
How about the inside?
And then, the reason why I liked it is because it could also be my purse at the top.
Ba?
So at the
Yeah.
top, you have
Yeah, hindi yung mga kwan niya.
purse.
Mga gamit niya.
Right?
Ito muna, ito!
See, it's a small purse on the top.
Yeah, hanggang dito ang
Yes.
first. Tapos ito ang...
And then even if you want to put a laptop, that's what it's for. That's
Oh,
why
yeah.
it's open just on one side. So you can
Wow,
have a laptop.
so amazing.
And then you have different compartments here. So my extra food when I'm extra hungry. So I might take that.
Oh my
Oh,
God!
it's very cushy.
It's what?
And my almonds.
Oh, you know, it says your travel thing.
Yeah,
Oh,
6-pack.
six-pack fitness. Oh, that is nice.
Siya mo binili yan.
It was my gift.
Bigalingan ni Dennis, right?
Wow.
Oh, nice.
Guys, so I'm home, but like Flow 93.5 is seriously kicking the tunes right now, and I don't even want to leave my car. Like, I'm home, but like this track though, and I just gotta go bathroom. But like, oh, and I'm alone. To watch the party in my car, I have seat warmers. Okay, I guess I should get out of my car. I don't want to though. I don't want to. I'm a Leo. What's your zodiac sign? Okay. Oh, one more.
Let's walk.
Let's see the bird.
Put him on a leash.
Hi, Hi, Bubby. Guys, I'm scared of my own pet.
Let him walk on the. Hi.
Oh, stop! Bubby the budgie.
He looks scared.
Like, he's not shaking as much. How long have we had Bubby for now?
3 years.
Oh, shoot.
Like 3 years, right?
My pits are sweating.
Your pits are sweating.
Apparently, but oh, don't you dare get out. Don't.
You want to see him walk?
No, because then he's gonna fly and I can't pick him up.
He looks so relaxed. Look at that face. Look
You're
at that
stuck now, Ashley. Bye.
Okay, Bubby. This is the plan. Yeah, you feel me, eh? I'm gonna give you a little head rub. Yeah. Okay. So y'all, it's Sister Sunday! And she's hiding her beautiful hair. I just want to show you guys how beautiful my sister is. Show the people. Come on, Sasha Fierce.
Go watch her other video.
No, come on. Hurry up.
No.
Come on.
I don't like my hair.
Acha loves it. Acha. Oh.
I only will if you do the challenge.
Okay, fine.
Pinky promise.
Ready, Sasha
And you're
Fierce?
gonna hear me. Oh wait, it's not even that bad. Ew. Oh, it's all tucked in my
Your
onesie.
hair, isn't it gorgeous?
No.
I remember when her best friend came over, she was like, oh my gosh, Savannah, your hair.
I like it like that.
Like what? I wonder how much your hair weighs.
What the heck?
What
kind of question is
I don't know.
that?
I have thick hair.
From mom.
Yeah, so this is her Sunday routine with Mother Bear.
I need you. Let's weigh my hair.
You can't wear your hair.
Yes,
Look
you
at
can.
this, her outfit.
Stop
On fleek.
Ah, stop it! It's Sunday.
On fleek. Hello. So Savannah wanted me to do a challenge on my vlog. So this is the
Ooh, what's on my face?
what's on my face challenge. So hopefully you don't break out after or whatever you're gonna. She's gonna have to rub something on my face, and I'm gonna be blindfolded, and I have to try and
Oh, I
guess
have to get one more thing. Hold on.
what she's going to rub on my face. Okay, show the camera. Tell me when you're going. Don't just like put it on my face without telling me.
Okay. I'm gonna put it in your face.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. What the heck? Is this a cookie?
No.
A cracker?
No, close.
A chocolate? Piece of chocolate?
No, would you like to feel it again? You
Is this
just-
soap?
No!
Okay, go again. What is that?
Don't smell it.
I have no idea. Oh my god, girl, I'm gonna break out.
Put it in your hand.
Okay, let me hold it. It's a champ.
Oh, you're eating it too. Ew.
It's tortilla chip.
Can you smell?
No.
Okay, you ready?
Ready.
I'm gonna rub it on your
Okay.
face.
What the heck? A lot. Oh! What is this?
Don't
Is it jam?
No.
What is this? It's like squishy. Peanut butter.
What?
Is it peanut butter?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here, lick off the knife. Here, lick off the knife.
What about my face? Okay, I'm gonna break out for real. I'm scared.
You should be. Ready?
Yeah.
I can't.
Go. What is that? Toothpaste?
No.
Lotion?
No.
Soap?
No.
I have no idea.
Again?
No. Why is your stuff cold and wet?
I can't.
I have no idea.
Open your eyes.
Oh.
I can't believe you can't smell it.
Not a boiled egg.
You want to eat it now?
She just put a boiled egg on my face. Well, this is gonna be the first product.
No, I'm scared.
Are you ready?
No, yeah.
Okay.
What?
Don't move.
What the heck? Is that a sponge? What the heck is that?
Okay, one more time. Maybe I'll try this cheek.
What the heck is
Move. No idea? Do you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay. Sit on your knees. They can't see.
What
Okay.
is that?
What is it?
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Good job.
Thank
Okay.
you.
This is going to be the second one. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Careful, don't move. Stop! Don't move.
Ew.
Sit on
Bread?
your knees. No, bread?
I feel like a bread. Can I hold
Okay.
it?
Yes.
What?
Okay. Next one. Ready? Okay.
A bag. A bag. What? A bag.
What is it?
Is this like a tampon?
Yeah, one of those. You're on the right track. Okay. I have another one.
Okay.
Ready? Yes.
What the heck?
Like, how long you been eating that marshmallow?
What the heck is that? It's cold.
Okay, good. Okay, you can smell it. I don't want you to hold this one.
Oh. I smelled it before. Oh, what is that?
Wow, you don't even know what it is and you're smelling it? Smell it again. That's so obvious.